Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use less oil in cooking. Oven baking and roasting are fantastic ways to prepare many foods, often requiring only a small amount or no oil at all. For instance, roast a pan of colorful vegetables like bell peppers or zucchini at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until tender. Simply line your baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking. This yields delicious, crisp results with significantly reduced oil, making your meals healthier. When pan frying, opt for a good quality nonstick pan, which drastically cuts down on the need for oil. Instead of pouring oil into the pan, try using a small splash of water, vegetable broth, or even a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for sautéing onions or mushrooms. As the liquid evaporates, you can add another small amount, creating a process known as steam frying. This method keeps your ingredients moist and flavorful without the added fats. When some oil is necessary, precision is key for reducing usage. An oil spray bottle allows you to coat a pan or food surface evenly with just a few spritzes, using far less than a direct pour. Alternatively, a silicone pastry brush helps spread a very thin layer of oil onto your cooking surface or ingredients. Always measure your oil. Even reducing a recipe from 3 tablespoons to 1 can significantly decrease your intake, without compromising flavor. You can add incredible flavor to your dishes without relying on excess oil. Embrace aromatic herbs like fresh basil and thyme, or robust spices such as smoked paprika and garlic powder. A squeeze of lemon or lime juice, along with their zests, provides a vibrant kick. Consider using flavored vinegars or low-sodium vegetable broths as a base for sauces and marinades. These additions will elevate your meals, ensuring they are both delicious and healthy, without needing extra fats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.